Alright guys, today we're doing lesson 10, adding fractions with sum greater than 1. And we're going to do this by creating equivalent fractions and reducing fractions in simplest form when necessary. Okay, so 2 1/4 plus 1 1/5. I'm going to keep it as mixed numbers instead of changing them into improper fractions. So what I do is I create, I keep the whole numbers, and then my greatest common multiple, the least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20, and that's times 4 times 4, 5 times 5, and I add this up and I get 3 and 9/20. Okay, nothing too crazy about it. 1 1/5 plus 2 1/3. I'm going to make this into 15ths because that is my least common multiple. That's 5. This is 3. 3 and 8/15. Okay? And they can't be reduced because there's no common factor of 8 and 15. Okay. So Erin jogged 2 1/4 miles on Monday. Wednesday she jogged this, and Friday she jogged that. How many miles did she jog together? So I'm going to do 2 1/4, 3 1/3, and 2 2/3. Boom, ba boom, ba boom. 2, 3, and 2. My common denominator is 12. So that's going to be 3, 12, that's going to be a 4. This is 12, and that's going to be 8. So now, I'm going to add this out. I get 15/12, and I get 5 and 7. Well, this is greater than 1, so that's equal to 1 and 3/12. So now I have the 7 here and the 1 whole here, so that equals 8 and 3/12. But 3/12 can be reduced because the greatest common factor of 3 and 12 is 3. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. So there's my 3 here, 3 there. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and my answer is 8 and 1/4 miles. Okay, next one. Darren bought some paint. He used 2 1/4 gallons paint in his living room. After that, he had 3 5/6 gallons left. How much paint did he buy? So basically, if I had a tape diagram, here's 2 1/4. Here's 3 5/6. I'm trying to figure out how much I started with. So I'm going to do 2 1/4, 3 5/6. Now my denominator is going to be not 24. It's 12. Okay? 12 here, 12 here. Times 3, times 3, times 2, times 2, that's 10. So then I get 5 and 13/12, which is really 1 and 1/12, which is equal to 6 and 1/12 gallons. Alright guys, shut up the flow chat. Bye.